When you come up against something called fox wedging, this is what they are. I've got a tenon cut, I've put my saw kerf in. My saw kerf with the combined saw kerfs is 1/32 of an inch. I've recessed my mortise hole so that this fits into here and it's the exact width of the shoulder, so there's no messing around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on this tenon in addition to the fox wedging. I don't need a whole lot of glue, just enough to make sure everything seats. I don't need to do inside the hole because the fox wedges will spread and they will open up that hole. So I've got everything calculated and I just hope this works. But what I'm going to do is show you something you may never have seen, but you may have heard of. So I've got these calculated. These fox wedges are calculated for size. So I've got them started. I'm going to give them a little tap. Just that one's the wrong way. So I'm going to turn it around. I have a square end and it's very important. There we go. I've got them started. I've got my hole set. Now the depth of the hole is 1/16 deeper than the length of my tenon. So these go in here. And as I drive these now, I go down and those wedges spread out because I also opened the bottom of the hole up by 1/8 of an inch. Now I drove 1/4 of an inch of wedges, just over 1/4 of an inch of wedges into there. So I've got quite a big spread and a lot of compression. So let's take this now and run this through the bandsaw and just see what we got. I've not gone dead center, but let's see. There it is. This is what we got. You can see how the wedges press the sides out and they give me this beautiful, beautiful dovetail. I mean, is that neat or what?